I'm gonna just show you how I passed in 2 days. Right here is the history, as you can see. I think you can see it. We have two trades, one on AUD, USD, and USC CAD. We're gonna review it right now. First, let me go through the dashboard though. I want to show you guys some stats. Okay, so you can see we started at October 1st, 2024, and ended at October 3rd, 2024. So 2 days, 5.17% on the account. And here's the two trades. I put the 0.01 lot because of the minimum trading days. Okay, let's go over the trades. Okay, you can see resistance bouncing right here, bouncing right here, bouncing right here. Price broke through. You can see price breakdown, impulse, pull back to this top. Price already gave us a shoulder right here, head right here, shoulder right here. You can see it pull back to this level right here. Then went down, breakout. So we're pulling back to a shoulder. Pull back to a shoulder, wait for the break, wait for the retest. And then we drop down to the 5-minute. This right now is the hour chart. On the 5-minute, this is the actual screenshot of my trade. You can see these same levels right here. Price pulls back, want that break and retest. So we get the break, wait for the retest, take our position. This entry right here was entry on a smaller time frame, but I missed that entry because I woke up late. I missed this entry right here because I woke up late. And then I woke up around this time, which price already gave us the first pullback. And then price dropped down. It never broke these levels right here, these candles, which means structure never had a breakout. But then eventually price goes down, pulls back, comes down, breaks this candle right here. But it doesn't break these candles right here and the candle that engulfed this candle. So we're still waiting for a break. Price comes here, still stuck in this consolidation. I wake up around this area. Price drops down right here, pulls back to this zone. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 3 candles push out of the zone. You can see the trend line break. Price pulls back. This is our second pullback. This is our first pullback. This is our second pullback. Price is on the first time. Price did pull back right here, but it wicks. This is the second pullback. Price breaks down right here. This is the third pullback. Price wicks, breaks down right here, and then finally comes back and touches for the second pullback at the second zone of the supply and demand. Take our entry right here, candlestick entry. It's nice bearish bar. Wait for the trend line break. Trend line break gives us more confirmation. As you can see, it pulled back here, which then was that third pullback, and then it just impulsed. That impulse is the strong side of smart money, and we'll sit back and wait. This was my first trade, or my second trade. I would have to go back and look at that. This trade, you can see price right here. You can see the consolidation on the hour chart. Price broke up, pulled back, simple break and retest. You can see it's breaking. Let's go to the 5-minute chart, look at our levels and see if we get a setup. We can see price came right here. It broke, it pulled back, but the pullback was too deep, where I started getting suspicious and started thinking maybe price wants to reverse. I've seen other markets. This is USD CAD. There was other markets like USD CHF and a lot of correlated markets that were all breaking. So when I seen this, I thought maybe this market will break too, but I don't want to base my analysis off that, basing off the hour chart and just straight price action. Price breaks, pulls back to this zone. As you can see, it also was this zone 2 right here. These candlesticks where it was the regular break and retest, and then price broke and retested this zone. So it's all simple. Once price got to the zone, we're seeing an engulf, or a close to be an engulf, strong bearish candle. Hesitated. I waited. Instead of taking the candlestick, I took the trend line break. You can see price down, up, giving us 2 connections. Connected. You can see our entry right here. This is this line, and this is where we entered. We took a 1-to-1, 1.5 R trade, and we took it to these lows. This is a counter trend trade. You can see on the top, on the hour chart, price was in an uptrend. Price is uptrend, going up, consolidating, correction to this candle right here. You can see price came right here. You can see this touch, and it impulse. and then we get the break, the pullback. That pullback was in an hour uptrend, but on the 5 minute, you can see price is still in an uptrend, so we don't want to assume that it could break. Obviously, you can see price did keep going, which on the hour chart you can see it kept going too. Sorry about that. On the hour chart, you can see it still kept going. You see this bearish candle. Price never even set up on the hour chart. On the 5 minute, took the entry, took it to these lows. We just want to take it for a quick scalp, counter trend, money in the bag.